Are you moving this winter? These steps will help protect you and your stuff in the cold. Before move day, be sure to call your utility company or landlord and make sure that your utilities, especially heat, are set up in your new place. This doesn't mean crank your heater as soon as you arrive though, as you'll likely have doors constantly open when moving things in and out. Consider full service movers. Driving on snow and icy roads can be sketchy at best, especially if you're new to it. You can check out HireAHelper.com for mover ratings and listings to make sure you get the best deals. Layers are the name of the game. When you're packing, be sure to leave out a pair of snow or hiking boots and plenty of warm layers. Make sure to shovel and salt the path to your new home. Bundle up your computers. Electronics hate moisture and cold. Make sure to let your electronics get back to room temperature before booting them up. Use airtight plastic bins or Ziploc bags for clothes, sheets, and towels, especially if it's actively pouring down rain or snow while you're moving. And above all, be flexible. If things get really bad, be prepared that you may need to reschedule in place of moving during a literal blizzard. Follow for more tips.